Hello everyone, my name is Prem Chhabria. I am a data analysis intern at StarTech Academy. Today I will show you the problem statement I have solved given by StarTech Academy on Excel and SQL. So let's begin. This is the problem statement they have provided to me where I where it is divided into two parts. The first part is for pivot table and we also need to do some analysis and add slicers using a pivot table. Also in second part we need to create a financial dashboard using the data provided to us. So let's see the solution for it. First we will look into pivot tables. This is the data we are provided by StarTech Academy. These are the tasks we need to perform on it. So let's see task 1. For task 1, we have seen that we need to draw a pivot table to get different types of outlets and their counts. Here are different types of outlet we have put in row columns and into rows, and here are the count of the outlet location, total location. In second in second task, we need to draw a pivot table to get total sales for different outlets. So let's see the solution. These are different types of outlets total, and from particular outlet what is the sum of total sales we get. We need to see these are the types of outlets and these are the number of outlets. So here outlet identifier is the number given to particular outlet, like this is the outlet number 10 and so on. Now let's see task 3, 4 and 5. Here we need to see total sales of different items according to different outlet types. Fourth is that we need to filter out the low fat products, and fifth is that we need to add slicer when we can uh, filter out more. So this is the solution for it. Here in the pivot tables we can see we have put outlet types and different different products we get from outlet type. Different products we get from items in the outlet, according to which in the slicer we can select either the single product for which we will get the total sales, and also we can remove this filter and select all. Also by using slicer we get a additional benefit of getting different types of permutations and combinations on this data. Like in task 5th they have mentioned that add the slicers for item fed where we need for in fourth where we need to remove low fat products. So when we deselect the low fat uh, deselect the low fat one, we get the sales for regular items, and automatically here also the low fat items are removed and all the items that comes under the regular type we get sales for it. So this was the analysis for part 1 we did on this. Now we should move ahead to part 2. In part 2, we were provided with some of the data and we need to create different types of charts based on the data. Like here we were provided a P&L sheet based on which we were provided a revenue chart on which we created a revenue column chart where we displayed the total revenue in column chart and also the projected which is a kind of future value. We highlighted it in the different color. Second, we are having this profit and profit margin chart where we have used the data and represented it in the net profit in the line chart graph, where we can see for different years the profit of margin is according to the according to the net profit we get. The third chart is where this is a pie chart where different categories and their values are being denoted. Now here we have the item target versus achieved, where we have used two charts, where we have used single chart but multiple bar bar uh, bar and series data in this. Now this is the financial dashboard we have created. Here we have done some additional additional formatting to the charts, which we can see that here we have add the data labels to make sure the proper what is the proper value, as here it is a bit confusing because it is on 0 but the actual value is 8. So uh, by putting these data labels we get a clear idea about what is, because the data range is very big, so uh, it is coming on at 0. Similarly we can see in the revenue, here also we have added some category wise percentage wise categorize this cost analysis, and here also target versus achieved we have mentioned the data columns, data labels. So this was the solution for Excel problem statements. Now we should move ahead to the SQL problem statement.